Hey Sean and Ryan, hope you guys are doing well. Um, I'm making this video just to kind of be able to easier kind of communicate this poster project because I know time is of the essence, and I want to make sure that we get it right the first time or really close to being right. So you see here the example Sean sent over to us, which looks nice, and I think this is kind of a good idea of something that we'd like to create. That being said, I want to kind of get a little bit more details from you guys on how you want to be laid out because I know Sean's going to be presenting it, so it needs to kind of make sense to him and kind of how fall in line with his presentation. So basically, we never have designed something this size before. I mean, we've done things a lot bigger. So what I did is I went out and I found some examples of posters used by universities, and I downloaded this template, which is used by some university for when they do presentations. So it's the correct size, so it gives our designer an idea of the scale she needs to build to. But we're probably not going to be using as many columns here like they have it set up. So basically, right now, this template has, 3 columns, one big column, 3 columns. If you look at this preview here, they're just basically doing 3 even columns, right? And I think that would be kind of a nice way to do it, especially with the content we have. So what I'm hoping to get from you, Sean and Ryan, is if you could actually give us a little bit more insight on kind of what you want and where you want it. So, for example, if you could send us like a document that said, first left column, background and problem, and then list the copy that you want there, and then list the image that you want to show up, image or images, and then same thing throughout, so we can step by step design it exactly how you guys want it. So I think that would be kind of the best way because right now there's so many pictures, and then we have this switch over to here. We have this one Word document with a lot of great information, but I don't know where to put this, what order to put this, what images to associate with this. Also, because of the scale, I mean, this is a pretty, this poster is a decent size. If you had this flow chart and another, you know, um, the actual image of this flow chart, I don't know if you actually made it in Word or not. That would be great as well. Or if we need to rebuild that, just let us know. So I hope that makes sense. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you to our Basecamp system, which will help us kind of work together a little bit easier. But like what our clients will generally do, this is our Basecamp system right here, and it does a lot of different things. But in this instance, we're going to put all the files in Basecamp right here that you sent us, and then if you want to use the write board setting, where you can just create a write board and say, okay, for the first column, first section, I want the title to be, background and problem. Create it. Then you can put the text you want to be in that column and give us the image name that you want to use, and then hit save, and then bam. Now we know to put this text and that image in the first column. So anyway, I hope this makes sense, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.